Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with this little smaller haul from Dollar Tree, and just a few little items, and I'll show you what I got. So, whoops, got these two to go into my recollections versions of the Rest Hog carts, and two of the larger ones, of course, they're magneted on the back as well. So you can store anything you want to stick those on the side of your cart. I've got some craft glue from myself and my grandson used. Some Scotch tape, so I was out of that. A bottle of my tacky glue because my last one was too tacky to come out. And 4x6 index cards, just to have on handy for some iCads. Index card today, or just ICs. Some of the more little silver bling, which you've seen. These are the heart-shaped ones. And I got one ribbon. It's red and it says party with balloons on it. And one confetti pack. These are hearts of various sizes. For shakers. Or you can use some table scotch, but I got for shakers. And then I just got some of the mesh. This is the sparkle one, which is white with the pink on it. And this is the hot pink with the glitter on it. And this is the red with the little hearts on it. And white with the glitter. And then the last one is the pink with the glitter. And so that is my small little haul from the Dollar Tree. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.